Well, not while the white peacock is talking shit to the other peacock.
Some long feathers. I never realized how long they were.
Yeah. That's just to get the girls.
Yeah, well, he's tripping the girl.
Every time that girl peacock, the one without the long feathers, goes and talks to the white peacock, her boyfriend right there with the long feathers, he attacks her. Like, girl, I told you not to talk to that white peacock. And he goes after her. I told you not to talk to that peacock on the other side of the fence.
This is like watching a really bad West Side Story retelling.
Say, look, don't you talk to them either. Look. She runs to him. She wants to talk to that boy peacock. She likes the white peacock. She's like, I love you. Take me away from this place.
Ooh.
I don't even like my boyfriend. Look, I pick on him. I pluck his feathers every chance I get. Take me away.
Yo, you guys need some marriage counseling.
Look, stop talking to them peacocks on the other side of the fence.
Oh my god.
I can watch this show all day.